Hello kids, today we'll begin with the part 2 of the lesson a kabaddi match. So kids, till now as we saw that the match has started and all the spectators are very excited and boosted the courage of the teams by clapping. Okay, now both the teams were ready. Ninth they won the toss and they sent their raider Govind for the raid. And before the other team from ninth B could realize he had touched Suresh and Suresh was out and he was already heading back to his home and ninth A scored a point. Now Ravi from ninth B was also a strong player and he was alone sufficient to catch hold of any player so tightly that it was impossible to remove that player from his grip. Okay students, and all the players were very afraid of him as he was very all-rounder player. Now, with the support of Mohan and Vinod from his team, ninth B was really unbeatable. Now, ninth A also had one strong player, and he was Mangesh, and he was a very good match, a very good competitor for Ravi. Now, Ravi was relaxed as he thought that he was so strong that no one can be of his opposition. When Mangesh was wrestled down by Ravi and his friends, everyone in the spectators thought that ninth A would lose. Mangesh means ninth A would now Mangesh would be out. But Mangesh proved his courage and he was on the ground, and whatever players were holding his waist and legs, all were out. Okay kids. So now let's read further. Now ninth B began to play cautiously. Mihir, one of the raiders, even managed to tag Sohan in ninth A. Nothing much happened in the next few raids. Now it was Vivek's raid. He always played with strategies and they worked fine. The remaining three players from ninth B trapped Vivek. He slowly moved back towards his court. The three anti-raiders also moved with him. When they caught his arm and were trying to pull him back, Vivek slipped his leg beyond the midline with the anti-raiders still hanging onto his arm. Oh, the whole of the ninth B team was declared out. So kids, now ninth B began to play cautiously. Cautiously means carefully. Now Mihir was one of their raiders. Okay. And even managed to tag means to touch Sohan in ninth A. But after that, in next few raids, nothing happened. Okay. Now it was Vivek's raid. He always played with strategies and they worked fine. Okay. Kids means he thought a lot before playing. And the remaining three players from ninth B trapped Vivek. Okay, now can you see the ninth B players trapped Vivek? Okay, but Vivek slowly moved towards his court. The three anti-raiders also moved with him. Okay, when they caught his arm and were trying to pull him back, Vivek slipped his leg beyond the midline. Okay, so this way Vivek crossed the midline, and so the remaining three of them were out, and the whole ninth B class was declared out. Ninth A had actually managed to get three more bonus points of Lona. It was an icing on the cake. What an enviable score! It set the heads of ninth B reeling. After the half-time break, the star players of ninth A were full of confidence. Once again, they managed to catch hold of the ace raiders, Mohan, Ajinkya and Ravi. Ninth A outplayed ninth B in all the areas of Kabaddi. Their team spirit, their confidence, their strategies, their swiftness, suppleness helped them to beat ninth B who had never tasted defeat earlier. So kids, now ninth A had actually managed to get 3 bonus points of Lona. You would have also heard it as super tackle. Okay, so they got the points for super tackle. Okay, now this was like an icing on the cake, means a very good thing for them. What an enviable score. Enviable means something which is good. Okay, and it set ahead the heads of ninth B reeling. Now ninth B was in a very great shock after the half time break, as we all know that there is a half time break in the match. Okay, so after the half time break, all the star players of ninth they were full of confidence, and once again they played very well and managed to catch hold of the ace raiders like Mohan, Ajinkya and Ravi. Ninth A outplayed ninth B in all the areas of Kabaddi. Okay, kids. Now ninth A played very well. Their team spirit means unity, their confidence, their strategies which they used, their speed in every play, their suppleness. Suppleness means their activeness. Okay, help them to beat ninth B. Okay, because of which ninth B tasted defeat, means ninth B lost the match first time, which they had never lost. Okay, kids. Kabaddi is an ancient sport. It originated in India and has now become popular in many countries, so that many international events are organized. In these events, international rules are followed, but several other Kabaddi styles such as Sanjeevani, Gamini, Amar, etc. are followed in different parts of India. In Kabaddi, two teams of 7 members each face each other in a flat rectangular court divided by a midline. The game is usually played in two halves with the half-time break in between. After the break, the teams exchange their sides in the court. So kids, now in this paragraph they have given us information about Kabaddi. Now Kabaddi is an ancient sport. Ancient means old, and it originated in India means it started in India and has now become popular in many countries. Yes or no, kids? So that many international events are organized. In these events, international rules are followed, but several other Kabaddi styles such as Sanjeevani, Gamini, Amar, etc. are followed in different parts of India. Yes or no, kids? And I think even many of you also must be knowing the rules and how to play Kabaddi. Okay, kids. Now see what else they have explained in Kabaddi. There are two teams of 7 members each, and they face each other in a flat rectangular court. And kids, this court is divided by a midline. Now the game is usually played in two halves, okay kids, and it has a half-time break in between. And after the break, the two teams exchange their sides in the court. Okay. To play the game, each team sends raiders across the midline to the other team. The raider tries to tag the opponents and run back to his side, all in one breath, to show that he hasn't inhaled again. He has to chant Kabaddi Kabaddi all the time. If he has to inhale again, he is out. The opponents the opponents try to catch the raider and stop him going back to his half till he loses his breath and has to inhale again. If the raider manages to go back successfully, all the person he has tagged and all those who have touched him are declared out. For each player declared out, the opposite team scores a point. If all the 7 players in a team are out, the opposite team gets bonus points. Alona. The team with the maximum points wins the match. The game of Kabaddi requires good health, muscular strength, strategic skills, a lot of practice, and above all, great determination. Indian girls and boys have always excelled at kabaddi. Would you like to be an ace kabaddi player when you are a little older? Who knows, if you make a resolve now, one day you may help win glory for your school, district, or even the state and the country. So, kids, now we'll see how the game is played. To play the game, each team sends raiders across the midline to the other team. Okay, kids. Now the raider tries to tag. Tag means to touch the opponents and run back to his side. All in one breath. Okay, he cannot breathe continuously. To show that he hasn't inhaled again, he has to chant kabaddi kabaddi. You would have seen kids, even you when play kabaddi, you're saying no kabaddi 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 the same way. Okay, so the raider has to all the time enchant kabaddi kabaddi. So if he inhales again, then he is out. So the other team members, the opponents, try to catch the raider and stop him to go back to his half in his team side. Okay, kids. And if he loses his breath and has to inhale again, then the raider is out. Okay, kids. But if the raider manages to go back to his team successfully, all the persons to whom he has touched or all the person who have touched him are declared out. And for each player declared out, the opposite team gets 1 point for each. And if all the 7 players in a team are out, the opposite team gets bonus points known as Alona. The team with the maximum points wins the match. Okay, kids. Now, for playing kabaddi, the game of kabaddi requires good health, muscular strength, strategic skills, and a lot of practice. And above all, a great determination. Okay, kids. Indian girls and boys have always excelled at kabaddi. So, kids, would you like to be an all rounder kabaddi player when you are a little older? And who knows, if you make a resolve now, means if you decide it now itself and start working for it from today onwards, one day you may also help win glory for your school. Okay, kids, even for a district level you can get selected, or even you can play for the state and the. So kids, let's make a resolution to learn kabaddi, maintain a good health, muscular strength, and practice a lot of kabaddi so that in future you can shine as a great kabaddi player. Okay, kids, thank you.